Hey, it's Andrew here, Tried and True Home Loans, Rise Realty. Today what I want to talk about is your credit score, and potential ways that you can improve it if you're planning to take out a home loan for a new purchase. Now, this is actually great advice for any situation because having good credit in general is just a good thing. So, 3 quick tips. Number 1, look at setting up auto payments for any bill that you have that's reoccurring month over month. If you set these things up, 1, it makes it easier on you. 2, it creates a payment history that is sort of on autopilot, allowing you to pay your bills fast, easy, and you get a boost because you have a constant, reoccurring, on-time payment schedule. Number 2, look at your current balances on all your revolving credit. And while a lot of people believe that paying off a credit bill, especially revolving credit, is the best thing to do, it's actually not. When you pay that off and you have a zero balance, you don't have any payments to make, causing them not to have any evidence that you are a credit-worthy person that should be able to borrow more money. You're better off looking at the maximum available credit for each of those lines of credit and trying to keep all the balances below 40%. By paying them on time and having a low balance, you're going to increase your credit score. The third thing that you can do to help with your credit and not add any more financial debt to your lifestyle is consider self-reporting your utilities. So every month we pay bills, home utility bills, cell phone bills, services that we might use like Netflix, Hulu, Disney. If you self-report those, you're paying those anyways, and if you set those up on auto payment, you're gonna, again, get good credit history, good payment history, and you're not going to create more debt. A quick bonus is number 4 would be going back to those credit limits. When you do pay off a line of credit, let's say it's $7,000. All of a sudden, the credit bureau sometimes will ding you because now you have access to up to $7,000 that you could immediately use. And for credit reporting, that's a concern, especially when you're applying for some type of new credit. If you have more questions about credit, want to know the qualifying credit scores to get the best loans and rates, please reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you.